ain't never gonna stop this fire.
I can't believe this business is so incredible, and if I can do this, every single one of you can do this. Every single one of you.
Something higher, ain't never gonna stop this fire.
Hey Rhino Nation, what's going on? My name is Corey Raymond. Today I'm super excited to talk to you guys about why you need to be picking up assets, particularly multifamily assets. So today I'm at one of the properties that we are remodeling. I'm inside of a 16-unit apartment building that we bought just a few months ago, and every time we turn them, we remodel the property, and we increase the rents, increase our operating income, and in essence, jack up our net worth. And so today, guys, reason I'm here shooting this video is because if you are wholesaling, you need to be buying assets, specifically multifamily properties. And it doesn't have to be 16 units, guys. If you're just starting out and that intimidates you, it did for me when I first got started. I would encourage you to just start with a two-family, get something under your belt, get comfortable owning these things. I can't tell you guys how many people I have met who are like big time, doing tons of transactions and have zero in their asset column when it comes to owning properties, guys. And it's so important. Because let's face it, guys, wholesaling is a job unless you make it into a business, which is something that is a whole nother video topic that we can talk about. But when you start to own assets, guys, the assets, as you improve them, as you get good property management in there, all these things start to happen. They become passive, and as passive as they can get, as Tom will tell you guys, and I'll tell you the same thing. Owning real estate is not passive, but it can be as close to passive as possible for you, all right? And so the first thing you guys need to know about this stuff is if you are doing wholesaling, you already know how to market to people, guys. You already know how to do that. So why not pick a few properties a year, keep those things in your portfolio, and use the rest of your properties that you're wholesaling out to keep your transactional income, feed your kids, do all the other things you need to be doing. But start holding these properties, guys, because over time, the beauty is time will help you guys increase your wealth. But start today. Don't waste any more time, guys, getting these properties out the door. Start keeping some of these today, okay? Because as you hold them, these tenants and these other doors are gonna help pay down your debt. If you're putting debt on the property, Uncle Sam is gonna give you huge tax benefits for owning these things. And later on, you can start playing Monopoly with these things and using them as little chess pieces, as some of them are paid down, and you can use it to leverage it for a different property. There's so many cool techniques and things like that that you can do that I'm not gonna get into in this video. But what I wanna encourage you guys to do is to start holding these things today, you guys. It is so important that you start picking these properties up. Again, you're not buying retail. You are a Rhino, right? And so you're gonna get these properties at a huge discount. You're gonna have equity day one in the property. If you don't know what equity is, guys, it's just the difference between what the property's worth and what you bought it for. That's basically money on paper, okay? So again, I wanna encourage you guys, Corey here, Rhino Nation. If you're new to wholesaling, go to wholesalinginc.com, book a call, get started, because that's the best way to find these properties at a deep discount, okay? And if you want, subscribe to this channel if you want more of this content, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one.